Coolest gadgets for men that are worth seeing. Discover the coolest gadgets for men that are definitely worth seeing. This collection features innovative tools and tech that combine functionality with style. From smart home devices and high-tech accessories to unique multi-tools and outdoor gear, these gadgets are perfect for any man who loves to stay ahead of the curve. Hunt 4.0 Flashlight. The Hunt 4.0 flashlight is more than just a source of light. It's an essential tool for any outdoor enthusiast or anyone who finds themselves in need of reliable illumination. With its advanced LED technology, this flashlight provides a brightness of up to 1,500 lumens, allowing you to see clearly even in the darkest conditions. This makes it perfect for camping, hiking, or even everyday tasks around the house. Scuda Wallet. The Scuda Wallet redefines the way we think about carrying money and cards. This wallet is not only sleek and stylish, but also incredibly functional. Made from high-quality materials, the Scuda Wallet is designed to withstand the rigors of everyday use while keeping your essentials organized. It features RFID blocking technology, which protects your cards from unauthorized scanning, ensuring your personal information remains secure. What truly sets the Scuda Wallet apart is its unique design. With a minimalist profile, it eliminates unnecessary bulk, allowing you to comfortably carry it in your pocket. Encompass Toothbrush. The Encompass toothbrush is a game-changer in personal hygiene, blending technology with oral care. This innovative toothbrush features smart technology that tracks your brushing habits and provides real-time feedback to improve your dental routine. With its ergonomic design and soft bristles, it ensures a thorough and gentle cleaning, making it suitable for sensitive gums and teeth. The built-in timer helps you brush for the recommended 2 minutes, ensuring you get the best results every time you brush. Beyond its advanced features, the Encompass toothbrush is also designed for convenience. Deeper Lock by Glock. For the cycling enthusiast, the Deeper Lock by Glock offers unparalleled security and peace of mind. This smart lock integrates cutting-edge technology with traditional locking mechanisms to provide a robust solution for protecting your bicycle. With its durable construction, the Deeper Lock is designed to withstand tampering and forced entry, making it one of the safest options on the market. Its compact size makes it easy to carry on your bike, so you'll never have to worry about leaving it behind. What makes the Deeper Lock truly unique is its smart features. Audace iScene in-ear headphones. The Audace iScene in-ear headphones represent the pinnacle of audio technology, designed for those who appreciate high-fidelity sound. With their unique planar magnetic drivers, these headphones deliver exceptional clarity and detail, making your favorite music come alive. Unlike traditional dynamic drivers, the planar magnetic design reduces distortion and enhances sound quality across all frequencies. Whether you're listening to classical music or the latest rock hits, the Audace iScene headphones offer an unparalleled audio experience. Sony One wireless wearables to play and control music. The Sony One is an innovative gadget that revolutionizes the way we interact with music. This wearable device allows you to control your music seamlessly, offering a hands-free experience that is perfect for those on the move. With its sleek design, the Sony One can be worn comfortably throughout the day, making it an excellent companion for workouts, commutes, or just lounging at home. It connects effortlessly to your smartphone or other devices, enabling you to play, pause, skip tracks, and adjust the volume with simple gestures. Orion Display for Nintendo Switch. The Orion Display for Nintendo Switch transforms your gaming experience, providing a larger screen for immersive play. This gadget is perfect for gamers who want to take their Nintendo Switch to the next level. With its high-resolution display, the Orion allows for vibrant graphics and clear visuals, enhancing every game you play. Whether you're racing through a fast-paced action game or exploring expansive open worlds, the Orion display makes every moment feel larger than life. PurePort Multi-Tool Kit. The PurePort Multi-Tool Kit is the ultimate companion for any handyman or DIY enthusiast. This versatile toolkit combines multiple essential tools into one compact design, making it incredibly convenient for tackling various tasks. The PurePort includes a screwdriver, pliers, a knife, and even a bottle opener, ensuring that you have everything you need right at your fingertips. Its durable construction means it can withstand the rigors of daily use, making it a reliable addition to your toolkit. Photonics Products Eco-Friendly 3-in-1 Gardening Tool. The Photonics Eco-Friendly 3-in-1 Gardening Tool is perfect for the modern man who enjoys gardening and wants to minimize their environmental impact. This innovative tool combines 3 essential gardening functions into one convenient design. It can weed, till, and plant, making it a versatile option for maintaining your garden. Made from sustainable materials, the Photonix is not only effective but also eco-friendly, appealing to those who are conscious of their environmental footprint. Using the Photonix is a breeze, thanks to its ergonomic handle and lightweight construction. Mojet, the modular surf toy. For the adventurous man who enjoys water sports, the Mojet is a modular surf toy that adds an exciting twist to your aquatic adventures. This innovative gadget allows users to customize their riding experience by swapping out different modules, including surfboards, paddleboards, and even jet skis. The Mojet is designed to be versatile, making it suitable for various water conditions and activities, whether you're surfing on waves or paddling on calm waters. What makes the Mojet truly remarkable is its ease of use. Piston pens and engine stand. The piston pens and engine stand is a unique gadget that appeals to car enthusiasts and those who appreciate engineering marvels. This innovative pen is designed to resemble a miniature piston, making it a stylish writing instrument that reflects your passion for automobiles. Crafted with precision, the piston pen is not only a functional writing tool, but also a conversation starter that showcases your personality and interests. Revov Magnetic Rotating Tray Box. The Revov Magnetic Rotating Tray Box is an ingenious gadget that combines functionality with a sleek design. This unique tray box features a magnetic base that allows you to organize and access your belongings easily. Whether you're using it for tools, gadgets, or everyday items, the rotating feature ensures that you can quickly find what you need without rummaging through clutter. Its modern aesthetic fits seamlessly into any home or office environment, making it not only practical but also stylish. ChairPod Air Mouse and Presentation Tool. The ChairPod Air Mouse and Presentation Tool is a multifunctional gadget designed for those who often find themselves in meetings or presentations. This innovative tool allows you to control your presentation seamlessly, enabling you to move around the room while navigating slides or documents. With its built-in Air Mouse functionality, you can point, click, and scroll without being tied to a traditional computer setup, enhancing your presentation style and engaging your audience. Louisville Ladder FXS 1504. The Louisville Ladder FXS 1504 is a heavy-duty ladder that embodies safety and versatility, making it an essential tool for both professional and personal use. Constructed from fiberglass, this ladder is designed to withstand tough conditions while ensuring stability and safety for any task at hand. With a height of 4 feet, it's perfect for indoor and outdoor use, whether you're painting, changing light bulbs, or performing maintenance tasks around the house. The ladder's non-conductive material is an added bonus, making it safe for use near electrical installations. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.